Hey there! Struggling with a Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum that just can't seem to suck up dust like it used to? Does it seem like it's just dragging dirt around instead of actually sucking it up? Fear not, we've got you covered. We're here to show you how we tackled a similar issue and got that vacuum buzzing like new. So, a customer brought in their Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum, complaining that it wasn't sucking up dirt properly and that dust was sticking to the brush instead of being sucked up. Challenge accepted! First, we decided to test it out ourselves. We sprinkled some dust around the robot vacuum, hit the start button, and look at this. It didn't suck it up well at all. There was still a lot left behind. What a mess! Time for a closer look. After further investigation, we discovered the culprit, a faulty fan. No wonder the poor thing was struggling. So, we recommended a fan replacement to get that suction power back up to par. But wait! OMG! Look at this! This robot vacuum is a total dust bunny farm. I mean, seriously, where did all this dirt come from? There's not a single clean part on this robot. No wonder it's struggling to keep up. How on earth is this thing still functioning? It's a miracle! Since the robot vacuum is super dirty and quite old, we also suggested a deep cleaning service. We'll dismantle it, clean out all the hidden grime, and get it running like it's fresh out of the box. And voila! Check out this transformation. The Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum is now suctioning like a pro, picking up every last bit of dust with ease. No more dust bunnies or missed spots. After we returned it to the customer, they were thrilled to see their robot performing like new again. Got a robot vacuum with issues? Reach out to us today and let's get it fixed up.